Hi there, it's Paul and Yulia at Tarbath, nutrition and lifestyle coaches at Rawsome Healthy, and today we're going to give you a tour of our tropical fruit-filled kitchen.
Let's go!
Let's go! Rambutans, mangosteens, peaches, dragon fruit, guava, more dragon fruit. We've got papayas here. Wow, look at all this, Eleni, all this fruit. Wow, do you like it here? Wow.
I want to see.
Got some durian. You excited, yeah? And then we got some avocado. Wow, mounds of avocado. Wow. And we got grapes. We've got Eleni. We've got mangoes and dragon fruit.
So we've got papaya, which is one of our favourite tropical fruits. It's delicious. We've got bananas, which we always have because they're great for calories. And these are rambutans. I can open them for you to show you what they're like. Woo! We've also got some roots here for when we don't have enough ripe fruit, but right now we are sorted. Coconuts. This is why we like to spend most of our time in the tropics. Fresh green coconuts with incredible flesh, creamy, juicy.
So lately I've been really into eating passion fruit. And if you've never seen what a passion fruit is, here you are, cut one open. Look at that, all those little black seeds inside of this yellow flesh, and it's really super yummy. And sometimes a bit sour, but I like sour things. And it's really high in vitamin C, so it's great for nutrition. Okay, so here we've got some greens which are soaking. So we've got some lettuce and we've got some spinach in that bowl. And we've also got bananas, and we're going to get a few more as well, so we have a nice big green banana smoothie in a little bit because we're hungry.
And let's see what we've got in the fridge.
Yes. What have we got here? Wow. Okay, so we've got some cherry tomatoes in the top here. We get those locally, and they're supposed to be organic. That's what they tell us anyway.
Lettuce and
spinach in there. We've got some grapes here. And we've got custard apples.
Can you open it up so we can see what it's like inside?
In this one. It's quite a firm flesh, and it's got lots of seeds in it, but it's really sweet and yummy. Really nice. Wow. We've got some dates in there we soaked, and some raisins. We've got more bananas in here. In the bottom here, what have we got? We've got some carrots, we've got some beetroot, we've got some cucumber,
greens.
We've got more greens.
Oh, look at this avocado.
Yeah, wow, these avocados, man, these are really nice. They're quite creamy actually. Some of the avocados you can get are not that creamy, but these are nice, very creamy. What have we got? We've got some carrot powder, got a bit of a lime there.
Raisins.
We've got some more raisins.
Tomatoes.
Oh, we've got tomatoes here. Plenty of tomatoes, we love tomatoes. We've got some coriander in there, I think, some cilantro. Yeah.
The freezer. So this is what we've got. Lots and lots of frozen bananas.
Lots and lots.
We've got some peas, which we usually just drop in warm water, and Eleni likes it as well. Frozen peas. Cinnamon, more bananas, lots.
More bananas.
Bananas, lava fruit. This is what we primarily live on. And here we've got seeds. Eleni really likes it. Seeds and chia seeds.
What sort of seeds? Chia seeds.
Chia seeds, flax seeds, pumpkin seeds, Brazil nuts, walnuts, sunflower seeds. Yes,
ground flax seeds, I can see
in the freezer because they stay fresher this way. You've seen it now. And if you want to get a complete A to Z blueprint on how to put a mostly raw vegan lifestyle into practice so you can boost your health, get in shape and feel amazing, we've just launched our program, the Raw Energy Lifestyle Program, which is a 5-week blueprint on how to get to where you want to be with regards to your health goals. So registration is going to close on the 11th of October, so be sure to register for it. And that's the link where you can go and check out more about this program. And we really hope to see you inside the Raw Energy Lifestyle Program. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please leave your comments below and let us know what's in your fruit-based kitchen. Thanks for watching. Eat sweet, keep fit, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.